It's really gratifying to see a lot of help pouring in from you, our viewers, to the 7 area Walmart stores where we're teaming up with the Salvation Army and Walmart to collect donations for the folks who've been affected by these wildfires. Here's a live picture from the Walmart out at 290 and 71 out in southwest Austin.
And there's some folks bringing up donations right there. Listen, we have some information on our website about that list of exactly what the victims and the fire relief workers need. They tell us now they do not need any more clothing, so please bring other items. But again, this is going on until 8 o'clock tonight, and it will be going on from 8 to 8 tomorrow at 7 different locations. That's on the website as well.
And they're also accepting cash and checks, and happy to help out any way we can.
And you can even make a cash donation online if you can't make it out to one of those Walmart locations. In fact, we were so busy today collecting donations that several people from the building here had to rush out to help. Just fantastic. Neighbors helping neighbors. Salvation Army and Walmart and KXAN all combining forces there. Well, it was a hot afternoon to be out and about. 99. I was afraid we were going to hit 100 today. We almost did. 99. I think we will do it this weekend. Temperatures this morning were wonderful once again. Another record low this morning, 4th day in a row out at the airport at 54. Ended up at 96 degrees this afternoon there. Skies are mostly clear out there. At least the visibility is good. No smoke in the air. 96 degrees is the current temperature. At 8 o'clock tonight, 87. At 10 p.m. tonight, 79. And while we're talking about our evening planning forecast, let's talk football. Our KBVO big game of the week tonight is Hutto at McCallum here at House Park. About 89 degrees at 7:30 when that game kicks off, but after dark, it'll cool down pretty quickly into the low 80s, so it'll be pretty pleasant. The air's dry. That makes it nicer. You're going to be real hot at your tailgate tomorrow for UT, but by the time the game kicks off at 6, we may have dropped from 99 to 95. Then at halftime, 89 degrees. By the end of the game, we're into the upper 70s. It'll be dry and not a lot of wind. Temperatures around the area right now in the low and mid 90s. As you can see in the city, it's 96. It's the same out at the airport. Weather hasn't changed much all week long except for just a gradual increase in temperature. Certainly the humidity hasn't changed. 13% right now. It's been very dry all week. So the fire weather conditions remain very dangerous out there. Fortunately, the winds, though, are not contributing very much. They're less than 10 miles per hour currently. Mold count today, medium, and ragweed 19 was in the low category again today. We've had a persistent low pressure trough off to the east, which has been responsible for our rather stagnant weather pattern. But the ridge of high pressure that was prevalent all summer is going to be building back in over the next several days. So warmer mornings, hotter afternoons, still no rain, but we think we will see a cold front late next week, maybe on Friday. That will be welcome news for the tens of thousands, hundreds of thousands even, coming into town for the ACL Music Festival. It may not get cool, but at least it won't be unbearably hot, I don't think, next weekend. Tropical Storm Nate, we can just forget about Nate. We had a little bit of optimism there over the last couple of days, but now it looks pretty obvious, according to computer models, that he'll turn into a weak hurricane and then head right into Mexico. Maria affecting the Lesser Antilles there and may become a hurricane now, but it'll likely do what Katia did, the last storm, turn to the northeast between Bermuda and the East Coast. At least that's the thinking now. East Coast could potentially be threatened. Speaking of Katia, there she goes across the northern Atlantic, doing exactly what was anticipated. Back here at home tonight, these are the lows in the morning. Morning still fairly nice, getting a little warmer each morning, but tomorrow afternoon a little hotter than it needs to be. Mid and upper 90s. In Austin overnight, clear. 66 is, I think, where we'll bottom out in the metro area in the morning, and then about 98 tomorrow afternoon, mostly sunny with that north wind. And on the 7-day forecast, we haven't stopped setting that record at 80 100-degree days this summer. I think we'll have day 81 on Sunday. In fact, we may end up at 85 days of 100-degree heat this summer by Thursday. As you know, that is an all-time record. We're hoping that cold front gets here by Friday. We'll be right back.